Hello and welcome to Codecracks. Today we are unlocking Python's secret to repetition and decision making. We will go beyond the basics of for loop and conditional. Let's start with slide 1. First up, the trusty for loop. Your slides say it's for iterating through sequences. First up, the trusty for loop. Think of it as your personal assistant, methodically handling each item in a collection. It could be names in a list, characters in a word, or numbers. The for loop ensures every item, no exceptions in order. This is fantastic for automating tasks over a known set of items. But there is something more. A for loop in Python is incredibly flexible. It doesn't just work on simple lists or strings. It can iterate over any object that is designed to be iterable. This means file, custom data structure, or even data streams you haven't fully received yet. So, the sequence idea is just the tip of iceberg. Now, let's make our loops intelligent. We combine them with conditional statements. The while loop, the loop that runs as long as the condition says true. Unlike a for loop, you don't always know upfront how many times it will run. It's like saying, keep doing this while the light is green. The critical part, as our slides show, is that something inside the loop must eventually change the condition. We are doing this by iterating x by 2. When the number x reaches, when the variable x reaches 20, the statement becomes false. But if the condition never becomes false, you get an infinite loop, a program that never stops. So, carefully manage that condition is a key. Now for interesting detail. While loops are perfect for scenarios where the endpoint is uncertain, think about waiting for a user input or processing data until special stop signal is received. And just like for loops, while loops can also have an else block. The else executes when while loop's condition become false, signaling a normal termination. If the loop is exited with a break, this else is skipped. It is another tool for fine-grained control over your loop's lifecycle. Now, let's make our loop intelligent. We combine them with conditional statements like if, elif, and else. This means inside your loop, for each item, you can ask a question. Is this number even? Does this text contain a keyword? Or x mod 2? Or if x is divisible by 0? If x is divisible by 2? But there is something more. A for loop in a Python is incredibly if the loop is exited early, this else block is skipped. It is subtle. It is a subtle but powerful way to run a code if and only if entire sequence was processed without interruptions. So we have seen that loops are more than just simple repetition. They have nuance and hidden depth, especially with Python's else function. Python's else clauses for loops. In our next segment, we will bring this concept to life with actual Python code.